Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we're kind of in a different space today. That is because I am redecorating my room today. I got all of this stuff right over here that I purchased during quarantine, you know, when boredom strikes. But no, it's actually been a while since I have redecorated my room, like years honestly, and I'm just kind of getting tired of the vibe of it. So I was like, this is the perfect time. So went online, bought some stuff, and here we are. But before I get started redecorating, I did want to show you guys what I got. So starting off, I have this huge bookshelf in my room, and right now it just looks a little bit cluttered, and I want to completely just redo it and make it a little bit more minimalistic and a little bit brighter, because right now it just kind of looks like to me. So to do that, I picked up some plants. So I got these. I got 4 plants actually, but they're all from Target. So I got these right here. This one is in a gray pot, and this one is in a white one. I also got these 2 as well. So very inexpensive. I don't think any of them were more than $10, and they're all fake because your girl's not trying to keep a real plant. No, thank you. I also picked up some picture frames. This one has this nice little stand right here, and it doesn't like have a bag, it just stands up like that. And I thought it was really kind of nice, kind of a little bit different than the other 2 that I got. But I got one of these, and then I got 2 of these that are literally just like a standard picture frame. And these were super inexpensive. I want to say that these were like probably $5 each, if that. The other one was probably like no more than $15. So then I got this basket right here, and this is actually great quality. Like, I was not expecting the quality to be like this sturdy. I thought it was going to be kind of flimsy, which I was okay with, but nice surprise. And this one was $8.99, so less than $10. I actually got 2 of these, but the funny thing is I thought I got the bigger version of them. I didn't, but we'll make these work for sure. Again, Target. And I got this little basket right here. This was less than $10 as well. It is actually $6.99, so very inexpensive. That's all the kind of like knickknacks. I wanted to get more, but I decided, I was like, okay, we're just gonna start kind of small with the basics and then fill in gaps as needed. The bedding, so I wanted to change the bedding completely, like the color scheme of my room. I just wanted to be a little bit brighter because I do have like a lot of black or dark brown furniture. Like my bookcase is all black and my bed frame is black as well, so I wanted to bring in a little bit more light. So this is where my bedding comes in. So you'll see a better view of this actually when, you know, I make my bed. But it's just a white comforter set, and I wanted white because I wanted something bright. And that is actually from Kohl's, and I got a really good deal on it. And then to go with that, I didn't want white sheets just because I'm not a fan, so I ended up going kind of with this like beige color sheets. There you go. And this is also from Kohl's, and I got them on sale, so nice. And then from Target, to match the sheets, I got this pillow right here. Hopefully, there you go, it picks up on the color a little bit, but it's a little bit beige. It's just like a regular like toss pillow that I'll put on my bed, but it matches the sheets really well. And then I also got this pillow right here, and it has the beige detail on the side, so it like goes out here and then goes down, and then the rest of it is just plain white. And they like all of the colors match perfectly, which I was a little bit nervous about since I was buying everything online. I was like, I don't really know how this is gonna go, but everything matches really nicely. As you can see, I'm kind of going for a neutral vibe in my room, mainly because I can do like pops of color and it'll match whatever's in my room. You might be thinking like, oh, okay, what are you doing with the walls? I didn't get any wall art. I already have 2 pieces hanging up on my wall. One is a just kind of like nice big round clock that I love, and then another one is just like a basic start each day with a grateful heart canvas. and I'll switch that out for sure, but I wanted to get all the pieces in here first to really see what that looked like and then kind of go from there. So the wall art will come later. This is kind of like phase one for me. So I want to give you guys an overview of my room right now. We're just at the door, literally just at the door, and then this is when you see when you walk in. So I have this nice big window over there, that's what I was sitting in front of, and then I have this nice little stand for my TV, and that is actually where I keep all of my boots, which I'll be switching out for sure with different shoes, just because, hey, winter is over. And then this is the clock that I was talking about. I actually need batteries for it because it does not work, but I love it. It's just a nice like staple piece. And then moving over here, I have this rack, which I am planning on probably putting it on the inside of the door rather than the outside, just so it'll look less cluttered right here. And then I have this lamp, which I really do want to switch out this lamp. I've had it forever, literally probably since I was in middle school. It's time for something new. And then I have these curtains, they're just black, and this black curtain rod, which of course the light's gonna mess everything up. I definitely want to change out the curtains. I'm not really sure about the rod just because I know it'll be like a hassle. So I definitely want to change out the curtain though. So then we move over here, we just have my fan, purse, and just like some crates. And then this is the bookshelf that I was talking about. So as you can see, it's a little bit cluttered. I feel like I could do way better with how it's decorated, like for sure. Starting at the top, I kind of just want like this statement something at the top. I'm not exactly sure what. And then I love these canvases, they're really nice, but I just kind of want to switch them out. And then I have all of my perfumes over here, which I just kind of want them in either a basket or moved somewhere. And then all of my books, either I can have all of them out, but I kind of want to distribute them amongst the levels. And then I just have some miscellaneous paperwork, and then this bottom bin, which who knows what's in there. I really need to figure that out. Yeah, so there's a better way to do that, I know. And then we come over here, and this is my bed. So it's just this nice purple color, which I love my comforter in my bed. I love it to death, but it's time for something new. I might go back to it, I don't know, but definitely time for something new. Don't mind my mess. And then this is the canvas that I had mentioned earlier, which I definitely want to switch out. And then I have this lamp over here, which I mean, it's a lamp, I just needed extra light because as you can see, we do not have like any overhead lighting in here. And then this blank wall, pretty sure I want to do something with this wall for sure. And that's it, that's the front. So it's literally like this is my whole room. That's that, and let's go ahead and get started. Y'all just saw that, right? So here's the thing, I just moved that crate over there, which was over there previously, but now I need to figure out what to do with all this crap in here. So what I'm thinking is, so we're in my closet and I have these boxes up here, so I can put the boxes over there if I want to, and then I can just kind of like shift all my jeans and sweats and stuff over. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So then I could just use that bin for like miscellaneous crap that I have. Ooh. And it won't be shown to the world. It's all coming together. And she's empty. Hey guys, so I'm finally finished and it looks so good. Like, oh my gosh. So I'm currently standing at my door and this is what you see. So my room's definitely a lot more bare, and yeah, I feel like you could probably hear the echo too, but that'll be changing hopefully soon when I get some more pieces. But here's the bed, this is the comforter, and as you can see, it has this kind of like, I don't know what you would call this, maybe like kind of like a waffle, like a cone, waffle cone detail sort of. And I love that. It gives it a, like in person, this looks insane. Like this camera is not doing it any justice. But I love the two pillows that I got from Target, and I'm thinking about maybe throwing in another one, but I kind of like the clean feel of it. I took the calendar down. I'm not really sure what I'm doing with this wall over here. I'm thinking about maybe floating shelves. I don't know. This is going to come down for sure. And then the thing that I'm most proud of, you guys, this bookshelf. If you remember what it looked like before, it was all so cluttered, and now it's just so crisp and so clean. So actually these are all books that were like on that row in the middle, and I just turned them so the spine isn't showing, and those are actually like flipped backwards and upside down, like you can definitely tell. So you just can't see the spine. These you can see the spine, they kind of match the aesthetic. And I used those two baskets. I didn't realize that they would fit books, which was perfect. I do have to get pictures for these frames and that one up there as well. And then down here, I just added those two plants, and then I have a little award that I got in college, and then my journal that I'll use every night. And then this is like my perfume and hand sanitizer basket. And then these two crates, if you remember, they were actually over here. You can see the imprint. But I moved them down there. I didn't realize that they would fit down there, but oh my gosh, they just hold a lot of the extra junk that was like right here and on that last shelf. And then I took down the black curtain that was hanging there. What I do want to do is move this rod higher up and get some nice curtains just to add something here. And then this wall right here, I am not exactly sure. Well, I know that I want a hanging circle mirror to go on the wall, but I'm not sure if I want to do like a small computer desk to have like a work area, or do a chair and a small table. I'm thinking that might be the way that I'm leaning, but not sure exactly. And then this lamp, I'm definitely getting rid of that lamp. I'm thinking of maybe putting a plant there, and then probably putting the floor lamp over here, because this nightstand, I'm probably gonna get rid of that, because actually I sleep on this side of the bed. So I need a nightstand over there. So I'll definitely be getting another nightstand. And then for my closet door, I just moved these things on the inside. And it looks so good, so clean, so crisp. Like, I am obsessed with it. Yeah, you guys, so I'm like so stoked about this. Like, this is phase 1 and it looks so good. Phase 2 is probably gonna be wall decor, and I don't know, it might be like two or three phases. I'm not exactly sure, depending on if I can find all the pieces that I want. But yeah, if you have any ideas of what I should do with this wall over here, let me know. I'm pretty sure I'm definitely gonna be moving the bed over this way towards the wall, because that nightstand won't be there. Yeah, and then also that way I will have way more walking room over here if I put a desk or a chair. So options. Yeah, it like I'm so happy. Like, it literally is just everything. But that is basically it. Definitely drop me a comment if you have any suggestions, and yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel down below, because I will definitely be keeping you guys updated on the whole room transformation. And I think that's it, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.